Best Wi-Fi router. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Best affordable. Eero is another name of trust when it comes to strong and comprehensive routers for Wi-Fi signals. It can catch the signals from 1,600 square feet and is the best option to install at home and office. It's an excellent device with true mesh technology. Brand Eero. Best value. Bid Defenders powers NETGEAR, and you can manage to live a worry-free life. It can cover a 2,500 square feet area and comes with USB connections. The antenna provides the maximum coverage, and you can set up this device easily anywhere you need. Brand NETGEAR. Best outcome. TP-Link is well known for providing the most impressive and competent Wi-Fi devices with dual-band connectivity. It is supplied with 450 megabits per second for 2.4 GHz, 1300 megabits per second for 5 GHz with 4K streaming. You can install the product without any trouble, and it will do well for a longer time. Brand TP-Link. Best deal. If you want to get the maximum working outcome within budget-friendly rates, ASUS is the best option to buy. It provides the 4,804 megabits per second data transfer rate and has a quick connection to fulfill your needs. Brand ASUS. Best overall. Winegard comes with a single band and 3 easy connectivity methods via Bluetooth, 4G, and Ethernet. Easy to install and has a universal fit. Brand Winegard. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.